This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be trying out these two acrylics from Glam and Glits. The first one is this milky white color and the second one is this beautiful blue glitter, and this color is called Bluetiful. Alright, so after doing my prepping and all of that filing and stuff, I'm going in with my dehydrator and then my primer. I'll leave links to everything that I use down below. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with the Glam and Glits clear acrylic, and I'm just going to use that to do my fill-in on my pinky nail. This one is going to be a bling nail, so I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm just building it up with clear, and then we're going to move on to the next nails. Alright, so I'm going for an ombre design for this look. So I'm starting off with the milky white acrylic and I'm applying that to the tip, and I'm just using my brush to kind of feather that around the where it starts, so it's not like such a harsh line. And then I'm using the belly of my brush to drag the product down the nail as far as I can get it. And as you guys can see, your girl is twerking this number 10 Alpha Kolinsky brush. I am wanting to use a bigger size brush because it just makes things smoother and faster, so that is what I'm working on now. The bigger brush does come in handy for the thumbnails because of course they are the biggest. So I do like using the bigger brushes for those, and I'm able to spread out the acrylic much more quickly and all that good stuff. Alright, so after getting all of my white tips on, I'm going in with the blue glitter acrylic, and we're going to place that right above where that white starts. And I'm just starting off with a smaller bead, and I'm kind of using the tip of my brush to kind of spread those glitter bits out over the white the way that I want. And once I like that, then I'm going in with my cuticle bead, placing that close to the cuticle and just working that down the nail. And then I go in with a very tiny wet bead of the glitter acrylic and just use that to further spread out the glitter bits to make that nice ombre transition. And I pretty much repeat the same thing for all of the nails. So I've got questions about how I feel about the Glam and Glits acrylics. As some of you guys know, they did reach out to me and sent me a big PR box full of goodies. And so far so good. I really like how easy they are to work with. It did take some getting used to. As far as the clear, it does set a little faster than what I'm used to. But since going up a size in my brush, I'm able to move the acrylic around more before it sets. So that's just something to keep in mind. These are, I guess, for professional nail techs. So it does set a little faster than what I'm used to. But the colors are beautiful. I really love the coverage. Alright, so after getting all of the glitter acrylic down, I'm just going to go in with some more clear and just encapsulate all of the nails just to ensure that we don't lose any of that beautiful glitter when we get to filing and shaping. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed, and now I'm going to be adding some bling. We have new colors of crystals on my website, longhairprettynails.com, so if you're interested in colorful crystals, head over to the website. To adhere my crystals, I applied the Poochie's Nails Bling Gel, and I'm just going to apply that to the entire nail. And then without caring, I'm going over that with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I'm just going to start placing the crystals into the gel. And these are the blueberry crystals. I just love the color shift in these. They are so gorgeous. So this is after all of the crystals are on, and oh my God, it's just so beautiful. So I went ahead and added some crystals to my index fingernail as well and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm applying the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to the rest of the nails. And as you guys can see, it just makes that glitter come to life. This is a very, very pretty shade of blue. I just love it. Alright, so after doing a final cure in my nail lamp, I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a fairly simple glitter ombre with a blinged out nail, okay? You guys know how I love my bling, but these turned out so gorgeous.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.